Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you got a bad vac motor and we need to replace it. Pretty simple. What we have is two Torx 30 screws right here. We're going to loosen those up. You don't have to take them all the way out. And now all we got to do is bring this top cover down away from the lid. Now be sure to have a block of wood with you so you can wedge it in there to keep the lid open. Just like that. Okay, next you will have a terminal block right here. We've got to remove these wires from that terminal block. Get a small flathead screwdriver. Loosen the screws holding the wires in place. Remove those wires. And remove your vac motor wires. Okay, now that we have the wires out of the terminal block, go ahead and remove this gasket. And now there are three Torx 25 screws holding the plate down onto the vac motor. We got to remove those screws. And now you can take and lift off the vac motor plate. Okay, now that we have the cover off, go ahead and lift up the vac motor. Now, there's a bottom gasket right here, a rubber one. So if it's bad or whatever and you need to replace it, go ahead and replace it. There are two gaskets that sit on top of the vac motor. You want to remove those. If they're bad or damaged, go ahead and replace them then, or just reuse the ones that you have if they're still good. Just like that. Now to reinstall, just reverse your steps. Take your gaskets, either new or the reused ones. Place them back down and feed your wires through. Just like that. Now take your rubber seal, place that back down in the bottom. Put your vac motor back in place. And now we replace the top cover. Okay, now that we have the top cover back on, we want to go ahead and screw these back down. Just like that. Now, replace the top rubber gasket. Okay, now all we got to do is put the wires back into the terminal block. Make it easy. You can go ahead and take the terminal block out. Just like that. give them a little pull to make sure that they're secure. Same thing. All right, now all we gotta do is put the terminal block back in. There we go. Now all we have to do is put the cover back up to the lid. Okay, now we just need to tighten down the Torx 30 screws. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.